welcome to SAP. Today's video I will show you what's the difference between our Jetour G700 and new car F700 from Grille. For the Jetour G700 from Grille, we have two versions. This one is Middle East version and this one our car is Chinese version. What's the best difference among these three from Grille? Is logo. The logo on Middle East version is Jetour. It's long and looks strong and bold. The logo on Chinese version 1 is JT. It's a classic logo of Jetour and looks more simple. The logo on F700 is different from G700. The logo is LSER and it has LED light strip. Looks more stand out. As you can see, their grills are also different. For the G700 Middle East version 1, its grills are big. The design is called the weather in Middle East. It can increasing air intake, but some insects or small stones easy to get in and difficult to clean during driving. But don't worry, we have designed the insect-proof net for it. Next video, I will show you how to install it. For the G700 Chinese version, the shape of grid is honeycomb. It creates a strong sense of enclosure. So some of car owners are prefer to replace their Middle East version by our Chinese version 1. For the F700, the design is based on G700 type of road looks. It amplifies the front grille size to make it look more tough, and big grid help heat dissipation. For these surround front grilles, which one you prefer? Welcome to leave message in our comments. And if you have any ideas about accessories to upgrade these two cars, welcome to leave message in our comments also. We will be developing more items for you.